real as you think.
It take a lot to keep a crew alive. Really socialize. Beef shit we don't vocalize. Keep it in overdrive.
Come through and catch a vibe.
Bitches is over fine. Cheese up, stay cheesed up. Smoke it, then re-up. It takes a lot to keep a crew alive.
From counting 20s and 5s to private jets when we flying.
They can't believe it takes a lot to keep a crew alive.
So we keep the bottles on ice.
Stand down, still pays in the G's. What?
any other reason other than to keep you guys safe. Okay? So if they ask you to do something, please do it. Couple of things. We're going to do the exhaust competition right here. We're going to do a burnout competition on the back side of the building. It's dark back there right now, but we're going to send some lights back there and it's going to light that place up. so we can do the burnout competition. This is the way the exhaust competition works. If you're going to get in the exhaust competition, go get in your car here in the next few minutes, circle around the building, get in line, come this way, you'll pay $5 out the window. Bikes, motorcycles, it doesn't matter, cars, trucks, everyone is welcome. It's $5 out the window. You guys paid to get in here, so you guys are going to decide on who wins. There's no decibel reader or nothing crazy like that. So you guys decide. The way this works is, if we point them forward or you guys point straight, that means they're not coming to the next round. Tanner, thank you for the water. If we point this way, then they are going to the second round and they'll come back to the final. At the end of the event, what we'll do is we'll bring 2 or 3 of the finalists back to here. They'll have a rev off. You guys will decide who gets paid tonight. The burnout competition is free. So if you want to get into the burnout competition, it costs nothing to get in it. So I'll make some announcements on how that works later. But if you are in the exhaust competition and want to be in the exhaust competition, go ahead and get in your car, circle around the building, and get comfortable. If you guys take a look behind you, that whole crowd is coming your way. So they're going to want to stand exactly where you're standing. So go ahead and get comfortable. Next rounder out of here.
Hello. He was at the
All right, guys, let's go. What y'all want? Straight? Right. All right.
All you gotta do is get motherfuckers.
All right, next court.
Shit, I know who these motherfuckers is. I know who these motherfuckers is.
All right, straight or right? All right, set them right. All right, next score.
I don't think it's gonna live up to the hype.
You need to come down some.
All right, let's go straight. All right, guys, listen up. Listen up. Listen up. Listen up. Listen up. Listen up.
His shit is fucking ridiculous.
All right, guys, listen very carefully. If you don't hear anything else that I said, this right here is the tip of the exhaust pipe. If you're on this side of it, it's going to hurt. And I don't mean standing there, I mean ear-wise. So that's your warning.
Yeah.
So if you're from here to here, go ahead and cover your ears. If you didn't and it hurts, don't tell. I warned you. Go ahead. All right, guys, y'all. So there's your warning. Let's go. Which way? Straight. Let's go. I'll get off that 87. Alright, hold on. Everyone who wants them to go straight, say straight and point. Never mind. Go ahead, straight. Appreciate you, man. You guys check the yellow line for me, please. Thank you. Come on, Tony.
Everybody disperse! Please make sure you have that heat right line! We don't want to die right!
Hey.
All right, go straight. Appreciate you, man. Slow down, slow down. Slow down.
Hey, excuse me, man. You gotta move, man. Come on, camera. I'm trying to get the shot.
I'm trying to watch. Well,
I can't hear you.
I'm trying to watch too.
But we was here first, though. You gotta go somewhere else with that.
For real.
You in my shot.
Damn.
Y'all good? Straight? All right, straight.
Your ass was already here, but you weren't here. You know what I'm saying? Get the fuck up out of here. Shimmy your ass up front. We're supposed to be out there anyway. Chevy Cruise.
Take it out!
Shit,
slide back a foot or two, okay?
2JC, no shit.
Yo, hey, my man.
Yeah, right.
Straight or right? All right, down everyone straight. Show me only straight. Show me right. Send them right. Not slow, man. Hey guys, y'all keep in mind, just because they go right doesn't mean they come back out to the final, okay? We're gonna bring 3 or 4 out to the final. And then, so y'all hold tight until we're done. Send them right. I ain't even asking on that. It sounds like a 12 gauge coming out of there. It's good. It's going right. Hey, listen, guys. This guy has won multiple. Wait. Go ahead. All right, right there. Go ahead, do it. I know you won't. Oh, it's already down. Never mind. This guy's won multiple exhaust competitions, so I'll let y'all decide for yourself. Go ahead, man.
What's up, cousin? ABS light was on, check engine light was on, 245,000. Hey, listen, if your car sounds worse than what he's playing on the speaker, you gotta go straight, that's the rule. Let's go. Try it, man. Slow.
bit serious. Let's find out. Let's go. Right. Let's go.
Because this guy's in my way.
I know, the goddamn way I had to move forward. My body is in.
The guy in the right seat with the laptop is just smiling, so let's go. All right, y'all ready? Straight, right, what y'all want? Come on. There you go. All right. Straight or right? Straight. That's good. Tip tap. Only straights. Give me straights. Right.
Right.
Go straight. Right. Listen up. Stay exactly where. Hey, actually, BMW. Never mind. All right. Hey guys, listen up. This is the way this works. We go one car at a time. They're gonna do the same thing that they already did. Then we're gonna come back and do all three, and all three are gonna run at the same time. You guys decide who wins, who takes home the cash. All right, we're gonna start with the black 350. BMW. Oh, actually, okay. Jeep. Go ahead, Jeep. Alright, guys, everyone look for Polly. He's the skinny kid with the hoodie. Everyone at the same time, let's go. Dead quiet. Polly's gonna put his hand over each car. You guys scream as loud as you can if that's who you want to take home the cash. Don't make any noise if that's not who you want. So let's start with the... Alright, everyone quiet. Come over here. I don't think the speakers are reaching over here. So listen, we're gonna come over. Y'all don't make any unless you want that car to win. So we're gonna start with the, let's start with the Jeep. Wait, not yet. All right, if you want them to win as loud as you can, Jeep. 350Z? BMW? Alright, it's between the BMW and the Jeep. Let's go back to the Jeep. Listen guys, real quick. Let's go back to the Jeep. Don't cheer unless you want the Jeep to win. Okay? Back to the Jeep. 1, 2, 3. Alright, dead silent. BMW. Alright guys, quiet. Alright, Paula's gonna listen from the other side. Let's try this one more time. Jeep. Alright, quiet. BMW. Hey, we're gonna do this for the first time because we're about to move in a second to the burnout competition. Move your body to whichever car you want to win because we're about to move from here anyway. So if you want the Jeep to win, move to the Jeep. If you want, you can just be on this side. All right, go ahead.
Clearly he don't know how to do a burnout. I see why they say go that way now. I know. It's a Mustang, what you expect? Oh! That nigga feels stupid. Damn. Like, first person too? Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, he need to go home. Damn.
Okay, go ahead.
He gonna need some time.
One wheel out. Get the fuck out of here.
Don't hit nobody.
Hey, Corey. Corey. What's up? You Corey too? One wheel action, man. That shit out here. Got it? Tay? Where you at, man?
That shit's good, bro. I can't even do it.
One wheel action, man.
It's just like an ice white. Ready.
real as you think.
It take a lot to keep a crew alive. Really socialize. Beef shit we don't vocalize. Keep it in overdrive.
Come through and catch a vibe.
Bitches is over fine. Cheese up, stay cheesed up. Smoke it then read up. Takes a lot to keep a crew alive.
From counting 20s and 5s to private jets when we flying.
They can't believe it takes a lot to keep a crew alive.
So we keep the bottles on ice.
Stand down, still pays in the G's. What?